In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Base44 app in this quick tutorial. To get started, open Base44 and log into your account. Once you're inside the platform, find the app you want to modify and open it. This should be an app or project you've already created before. After you select it, give the editor a moment to load completely. Waiting for everything to finish loading first can help avoid confusion, especially if you're working with a larger app. Once the app editor is open, the next thing you'll do is decide how you want to make your changes. Base44 gives you two main editing approaches. The first is AI chat, which is useful if you want the platform to update your app based on a written instruction. The second is visual edit, which is better for quick on-screen changes like adjusting text, colors, or parts of the layout. If you already know exactly what you want to change, AI chat can be very efficient. If you prefer clicking around and editing visually, then visual edit may feel more natural. If you choose AI chat, type a clear description of the change you want. Be as specific as possible so Base44 can give you a better result. For example, you could say, change the homepage button from blue to green and make the text larger. Clear instructions usually save time because they reduce the need for corrections later. After that, let Base44 apply the changes. Take a moment to review what it generated, and don't worry if it isn't perfect on the first try. You can continue chatting with the AI to refine the result until it looks the way you want. Small follow-up instructions can be very helpful here. From there, you can keep making more changes as needed. For example, you can ask Base44 to add new pages, modify workflows, update the design, or introduce new features. This makes it easy to improve both the appearance and functionality of your app without starting over. When your edits are done, preview the updated app. Click through the pages carefully and test the buttons, flows, and features to make sure everything works correctly. This step is important because even small design changes can affect usability. Once you're satisfied with the final result, go ahead and publish or deploy the updated version. Base44 handles the hosting and deployment, which makes the process much simpler. And that's how to edit a Base44 app quickly and effectively.